What is up, beautiful people? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm going to show you how a typical truck and a car graveyard looks like in India. Mostly these are like seized trucks and stuff like that. So I'm going to take you guys through it and show you how it pretty much looks like. So here's how it is. So you can see all these trucks, all old school trucks, right? So they're just like rotting away here, and you also got some cars there. All right, so let me show you how it looks like inside. All right, you see that? Looks really spooky and stuff. And yeah, you got some more trucks here. They look like some transport trucks, and then you got some more trucks here. Looks like some North Indian trucks here, right? Look at that. There's another one there for you, right? So let me also show you inside. Wow, it looks like really old school stuff, you know. Look at that. Yeah. So yeah, that's one truck there, and then there's another one here. The Tamil Nadu truck. Still got some air in it. Yeah, there's still some air in it. The tires look pretty good. So let's go to the other side there. I spotted some petroleum trucks also. Right, here's another one for you. So most of these trucks are just like rotting away, and you can see like plants growing in between them. Yeah, like this is like the driver's seat, as you can see. Old school. There's even a tree plant growing in there. Yeah, just check it out. It looks really good with all this, you know, this foliage next to it. It gives a little nice spooky and a nice old school vibe to it. So it looks good, you know. So yeah, you can see some more trucks here. Andhra Pradesh trucks, and then there's some pickup truck here. And this looks like a really nice truck. There's even some bolts here and there. The engine looks pretty good, right? Look at that. Wow. Yeah, so you see, it's like trees growing all around there, plants. And then this is another truck. I don't know why they've seized this. Looks like a petroleum truck rotting away to glory. Right? Check it out. Look at the inside. The driver's seat. And then there's some religious stuff there. And then here's the other truck here. And then this one, I guess this is like the oldest truck. Like even like the number plates like missing, like, you know. Look at that. We've got some holes on the glass there. Yeah. Wow, this is like really old school. I see even the engines, like the engine's kind of like missing. Yeah. So yeah, and you can see all the paint like coming off, like, so it's like really old for sure, you know. And yeah, so this is the oil truck again. It's still got its extinguisher intact, and yeah, you can see all the rust forming there, like Yeah. And yeah, there's another pickup truck here. Yeah. Wow, the inside's like completely rusted. Like, look at this stuff. Crazy. So yeah, there's another truck here for you from Haryana. You know, it's like crazy, you know, like all these trucks just lying here and like nature like taking over them. Yeah. So yeah, some more trucks here. Yeah, look at this one. Wow, look at this. This, it looks really nice, like with this creeper growing on it. Wow. Let me show you the inside. Look at that. One crazy. And then you got a pickup here, like a Tata pickup. And yeah, look at, I call this the environmentally friendly truck. Yeah. So yeah, that's all we've got here. And I see some little cars over there. Yeah. Well, there's almost like 20 to 30 trucks inside here for sure, maybe even more. Yeah. And look at this shit. Looks like an old S-Team car here, right here. We can check out the inside also for you guys. And yeah, there's another Ford icon right here, an old school Ford icon. Let me show you the inside of it. Wow, look at the steering and all that. So that's it, guys. That's a wrap up for this video. And yeah, look at this truck with this old school, like really old school, getting rusted, and the earth's like kind of like eating it away, you know. So yeah, so that's it, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did like the video, make sure that you subscribe, you know, to the YouTube channel. And you know, also make sure that you like the video, share it with your friends. And yeah, if you really like the stuff, want me to make more videos like this, subscribe, comment, like and share. And see you guys in the next one. Yeah, peace.